Alright, this is the Toshiba satellite l675. It's having some wireless network card issues. That orange light on the right means that the wireless card is now on. F8 turns the wireless card off. The orange light is off. Let's turn it back on. Now it's back on. Now I'm going to power this, before I power the system off, to further verify that this card is connected and working properly. Go here, device manager. And network adapters, and this is the crappy Realtek wireless network adapter that is functioning properly. Now I'm going to power the system off. Take you inside the beast. I don't want to pull this keyboard off. This is a pain in the butt. But if I can get you inside here. There it is. Right here is the wireless network card, which I never took out of there. I didn't have to remove that, but I did have to take these two antenna wires off that are still on. I ain't gonna pull them off again and put them back on because they're a pain in the tail to put on. But now let's go over here. And I just imagine that's why someone felt the need to make a video on how to replace this wireless card.
We will now install your new Wi-Fi card.
Why they have to take out the old card to install a new one? And then got one comment here that says the wireless card that comes with this is crap. So it'd be better to your advantage to replace this with a faster USB card, because it probably cost you $100 a pop every time you went to replace this card. And the USB card would just be faster and cheaper. And then a new card is $60, and they don't make any new cards. I think I might have found one, but everybody only has used, because more than likely this is a discontinued model and they don't make new parts for it anymore. So I'd almost doubt you can get anything new for it. You have to be careful when you're taking your stuff in for repairs and they say, well, we're going to put a new part in there. And they don't even make new parts for discontinued models anymore. So anyway, thanks for watching.